Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2019 Cherokee Latitude Plus. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 40 evap MAIR with ESS, STD, black cloth premium vinyl bucket seats, billet silver metallic clear coat, quick order package to be included, engine 2.4 Li 40 evap MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.